Ever been mid-presentation, deep in a sales demo, or even just trying to check a crucial inventory number, only to be met with a dreaded spinning wheel? Or worse, a blank screen telling you no internet connection? Now, imagine that frustration multiplied by the complexity of your entire business operations. You're relying on NetSuite, your cloud-based ERP, and suddenly you're staring at a digital brick wall. The question burning in your mind, and probably the reason you clicked on this video, is, can NetSuite work offline? It's a question that strikes at the heart of modern business. We're told everything is moving to the cloud, accessible anytime, anywhere. But anywhere often includes places where anytime internet access is a luxury, not a given. Think remote warehouses, field sales teams, or even just that dreaded flight where the Wi-Fi is, shall we say, temperamental. Let's be real. We've all experienced the pang of panic when our connection drops. In a world where speed and efficiency are king, downtime is not just an inconvenience, it's a potential disaster. For businesses relying on NetSuite, a system that manages everything from financials and inventory to CRM and e-commerce, the stakes are even higher. Think about it. A sales rep visiting a client in a remote area needs to access customer data, update orders, and record meeting notes. A warehouse manager needs to process incoming shipments, even if the building's internet is down. An accountant needs to reconcile transactions, even if they're working from a location with spotty connectivity. These scenarios aren't hypothetical. They're the realities of modern business. So let's cut to the chase. Can NetSuite truly function without a constant internet connection? The short answer, as with many things in the world of complex software, is it's complicated. NetSuite, at its core, is a cloud-based ERP system. Cloud-based inherently implies reliance on the internet. All your data, your applications, your processes reside on remote servers. This gives you incredible flexibility and scalability, but it also means that without a connection, you're essentially locked out. However, the story doesn't end there. While the full real-time functionality of NetSuite requires an internet connection, there are nuances and workarounds that address some offline needs. First, let's talk about mobile access. NetSuite offers mobile apps for both iOS and Android. While these apps primarily function online, they do offer some limited offline capabilities. For example, you might be able to view previously downloaded data, such as customer records or product information. However, you won't be able to make real-time updates or access features that require server communication. Imagine a sales rep using the NetSuite mobile app to review a client's history before a meeting. If they downloaded the information while online, they can still access it offline. But they won't be able to update the client's record or place an order until they reconnect. Another key area is data export. NetSuite allows you to export data into various formats, such as CSV or Excel. This means you can download crucial information before going offline and work with it locally. For example, an accountant could export a list of transactions to work on reconciliations offline. However, any changes made locally won't be reflected in NetSuite until the data is re-imported and synchronized. Now let's address the elephant in the room, full offline functionality. The ability to perform all NetSuite operations without an internet connection. Unfortunately, this is where the limitations become apparent. NetSuite's architecture is designed for real-time data synchronization and processing. This means that offline operations, such as creating new records, updating inventory, or processing transactions, are generally not possible. However, there are some workarounds, albeit limited, that can help mitigate the impact of offline scenarios. One approach is to use third-party applications or custom integrations that can capture data offline and synchronize it with NetSuite when a connection is available. For example, a field service app could capture customer signatures and service details offline and upload them to NetSuite later. Another option is to leverage NetSuite's SuiteScript platform to develop custom offline solutions. While this requires technical expertise, it allows you to create specific functionalities that can work offline and synchronize with NetSuite when online. For instance, you could build a custom script that allows field sales reps to create offline orders and then upload them to NetSuite when they reconnect. It's important to understand that these workarounds are not a substitute for full offline functionality. They are designed to address specific scenarios and provide limited offline capabilities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.